Because that could be a thumbnail. Oh, maybe this will be the thumbnail.
Hi, this is Carter's Tiny Homestead. We're about to unbox this single swag box that you might have seen our last video of us opening one, but stay tuned because this one's about to get real.
So today I will read the cards and we'll let Isabel pull out all these wonderful items.
Mom, scoot
Nice
in
little
this way.
packaging. We're gonna show off the nice little paper that they put in there that say single swag.
All right.
Single swag. Oh, what's that?
Oh, it smells really good.
It does smell good.
You can smell something. Oh, the first thing you have are Oogie snacks.
Popcorn, movie time butter.
So Oogie snacks are $4. $4 for movie time and $1 for my popcorn. Okay, so this 1 ounce bag is $4.
I don't think that smells good though.
Can't go to the movies? Enjoy the classic butter popcorn. Yeah, $4.
That sounds like a movie price.
Right? Experience for the comfort of your home. This delicious snack contains only all natural ingredients, has the amazing flavor of butter popcorn at the movies, without any of the fats and oils associated with that giant tub. Cholesterol-free, trans fat-free, gluten-free, and non-GMO-free. Well,
This
let's
has
see.
about 3.5 servings. 150 calories per serving.
If it's got all that free, let's see if
It
it
has
tastes free.
3.5 servings in that bag.
Whoa, how many ounces is that?
It says
1 ounce.
Yes.
It's 1 ounce.
3.5 cups is about the serving size of this bag. 150 calories per serving.
So 3 times 15.
Oh, maybe, yeah.
That's 450 calories for that bag.
This tastes like some stale popcorn.
Oh, yeah.
This popcorn been in this bag a long time.
Yeah, that's how the other one tastes too when I buy the kids sometimes. But that was great.
I don't think you're eating well enough.
It tastes typical, like
Like movie popcorn?
Maybe she do a quick mukbang in the. Oh!
Who does that? Well,
That's not for me. I don't like that.
yeah, I like my popcorn from out of the microwave.
Pink thing is called.
Isabel, you keep hiding yourself with the box.
Hey, perfect excuse.
Oh, okay. Gem 3 is a Mila Zodak charm bracelet
Ooh,
for $58.
let's look at it.
Make your lucky stars for yourself in this chic charm bracelet with a 7-inch chain and a 10
Oh, this is really
extender
pretty.
with a bolo clasp.
It is
Wear
really,
by
really pretty.
itself or pair it with your favorite pieces.
But it feels like a quarter machine jewelry.
Really?
Yeah. It's really pretty though.
Well, it is kind of very glamorous.
Let me
Yeah.
see.
It does have 7 inches on it, so that's good.
Let me see.
Did you get my ring in there? It's really cute though. I mean, it's not bad. I haven't even What was that?
Oh,
It's
oh,
cute.
it is pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I paid $53. Definitely not.
$58.
for it.
$58.
Definitely not. Nope. Definitely
It
not.
does have a nice, pretty bag, so it does come packaged really cute.
It's still not $58 worth. No.
So that's
I think one of
sponge gel,
yeah.
body wash infused butter. Oh, it's butter.
This is supposed to be really, really good.
Oh, let's open it.
I don't know if it's the same company though, but it's something similar like this. And it's a sponge thingy.
Love your skin with this body wash infused
Yes.
buffer designed to cleanse, moisturize, rejuvenate.
Oh.
And restore every
It
inch of your
smells
body.
so good though. This is
smell
what's smelling the box up. It smells
Oh,
so
this
good.
oh.
Like that.
Now this
smells
is
so
$20.
good. How many uses do you get out of it? Let's see. Does it say?
This product is dermatologist tested, vegan, cruelty-free, and made with love in the USA. This is really smells.
It smells good. It's only in the box, so it smells really good.
I really like this. I can't wait to take a shower.
Oh, we have two more items in the box.
I'm gonna get in the shower after this.
Yeah, that sounds like it would be like enjoyable, like a nice little spa night shower bath.
Maybe I should cut it in half so Isabel can try it.
Why can't you guys share it?
Want to take
No,
a
I
shower?
don't want to smell like my mother-in-law.
The drama.
Oh, this is a beauty boost.
Oh, okay. This is $24. It's called Dime Beauty Immunity Boost Roll-On Essential Oil. Oh, open it up, Isabel. Engineered with a dynamic blend of natural, powerful ingredients, including eucalyptus leaf oil, clove flower oil, and lemon peel oil, creating a sweet and uplifting aroma. Use the easy-to-apply roller ball on the chest, throat, feet, wrist area, and behind the ears. Don't put that on your ears, girl. Vegan and cruelty-free. Apply as often as desired. Oh, let me smell.
Good. Smells really, really good.
Ooh, I feel my immunity's boosting.
You have to actually put it on your body, though.
Oh, my bad.
You can't just smell it. It has to absorb through your bloodstream.
Okay, then. Let's see.
Oils are really, really beneficial though for your body. If you get a chance, you should look them up.
I feel like my oil is boosting.
I'm in the oil regimen.
Kind of on that cheap oil.
Really good.
Oh, and that's $24 for a
I don't think it's in it.
10. What's that thing? What ounce?
Yeah, it's in it.
10 milliliters. 0.34 ounces.
Oh, smells so good. Oh, fun. 3 sheets mask.
Oh,
three-step
this is
mask.
the OK Beauty 3-step marine algae mask set. Harness the power of the sea to hydrate and protect the skin while achieving a super dewy and hydrated finish. This detoxifying cleanser removes any buildup of particles from the skin, allowing the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in the marine algae sheet mask to get to work, fighting free radicals and replacing lost moisture. Finish with the soothing serum to lock in the vital moisture and improve the skin's natural barrier.
Dawn's gonna test this out.
Do it right now.
If you watched our previous video, we got something from this brand. So go back and check out the last video.
Anyway,
for
so
unboxing.
this is $12.
Come on, do it.
You gotta open it and
Okay.
Do it right now.
All right.
But it's 3 steps though. You have to give her a bucket.
Oh, come on.
How many more items are there?
That's it.
Oh yeah, you do it.
Okay, step 1. Which one's step 1? So not put the glasses on.
Oh, step 1 is this. Detoxifying cleanser. You can open it like that. Sorry.
Oh, sideways?
Here, don't get your.
Isabel, put them on too.
Yeah, he's about to do it with her.
So we put on our. Oh, no, there's my plate, both of us.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. It smells really good.
It does. It feels good. It feels like yogurt.
It does feel like yogurt.
Doesn't it feel like you're putting yogurt on
Yeah,
your
but I'm trying to figure out who's gonna get the bowl. I'm gonna get up and go to the sink too.
Oh, this feels good. Like
Mom's
yogurt.
supposed to Isabel.
It's like yogurt on our face.
I like the way it smells. It smells.
I guess we should have read how long to leave this on.
Oh goodness. Just make your face look. It doesn't say. I think this is just washing your face.
Maybe Isabel should have her own bowl with it.
Here, another one.
Probably.
And towels.
Just caution. You're not getting your eyeballs.
Dang it, I put it in my eye on. I mean, come on now. You should have told me not to do that before.
Can't you see them for doing that?
Why you got my. Really?
I need this ball!
I told you it's in my eye.
Why are you barely putting it on you?
That's because she took it off.
I didn't know we were going to love.
She took it off.
Shoot, I thought we were going hard on this.
Alright.
So,
So,
mine's soapy so much.
Yeah, it is. Did you wash your face?
Oh my
then go
god.
to number 2.
Step number 2.
Oh, it's making me feel like
Step number 2. You ready to put it on?
it's numb. Oh my gosh, why do we do this?
Does it say we gotta wash this off though?
I don't know.
I don't know why he gave
We
us
didn't
code.
really read direct. Oh, no, I'm
Where's step 3 do?
Oh my god!
Why didn't we read the directions?
Which one's number 2?
Well, first doesn't say no.
Oh, here, I found it.
What we do?
Oh, it's a sheet
Don't
mask.
open your eyes, it burns. It burns. Do not open your eyes. It burns. And I still feel it on my face. It burns. It burns.
Here, I'm gonna have to cut this sheet mask in half.
Oh wait, I think it really does burn.
It does. Don't open your eyes. I'm telling you, it burned. I burned.
Oh, I got it in my eye.
It burned so bad.
The scissors are over there in the drawer.
Ew, are you ready for this one?
No.
Okay, go cut it in half.
Wait, but I need it to be opened up and then held, and then I'll cut it.
Oh, okay.
It's all folded up. Here's how to hold it.
Oh my gosh.
Look at it. It's so
Ooh,
slimy.
It's really slimy.
It looks like an alien
That might have the
placenta.
algae in it. The algae in the sea.
Yeah, shoot.
It burns really bad though.
Here.
Alright, what am I gonna do? Turn it? Oh,
No, hold it. I'm gonna cut it in half just like that. You guys can both have a piece. Hold it.
Off our faces.
Let me get our
I got something in my eye.
that we use for our food and everything else.
And now for our face mask.
This mess really is burning my eye.
Yes, it burns. And you cannot cut it. You really can't cut it.
David.
No lie, you can't cut it. It's like it's bamboo sheet. Oh, it is really
Okay, read the step 3, David. So, well, read how long we should leave this.
Step 2.
I don't know what side I got.
I'm gonna,
It doesn't say what to do. Oh, 10 to 20 minutes.
So we'll be back in 10 to 20 minutes.
I even can't figure out how to put this on my face. Wait, is this? I think this is my eyeball.
How did you get a whole
But
side?
you gotta unfold yours.
Oh, dang.
That's what it is. It is a whole side.
Oh, okay.
That's the bottom.
It was
Alright,
so
okay.
slimy
Put
though.
it on.
Can you rub the rest of my face?
You guys are gonna have matching burn marks.
So hopefully this doesn't go on my eyeball.
I'm about to pause it.
Stay tuned.
Oh my god! I don't like those thumbnails. I need a good thumbnail.
You did
No, come on, David, do another one. There's gonna be a better thumbnail than that.
Yeah, sit up straight. No, rock, hold on.
What?
Now you're rubbing the serum.
Oh, we gotta wash this off though, right? Maybe we should. I'm just gonna do my side of my face real quick. Because I can't handle this shit.
You didn't really say. I think you just take it off and then.
You gotta wash it off?
Yeah.
Rub it in.
I think, yeah. I think you do that.
Really?
But let me say to wash it again. This one made an effort to, like,
Okay.
Wash.
You can put some better descriptions on how to use
place. And I guess rub in the moisturizer. Because you don't want to get rid of the stuff you just put on.
No, because your face is kind of already.
So your goal is to.
It's a lot of gel on this. Like you can repackage this in a
Oh,
Ziploc
you could I
baggie.
just switched it out.
Yeah, you could repackage this and reuse the gel in here. In a Ziploc baggie if you want to use
So
it. Like 5 uses
Let
at
your
least.
face dry or something?
Nah,
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go right in.
With the serum?
What's there? What?
Now you gotta use this soothing serum. But my face is still wet.
No, let it dry.
Wait. What? I'm so cute.
This serum, you gotta put the serum on your face.
There's nothing coming out.
Hey, you done squished it all out.
I didn't squish nothing out. Something came out.
Well, maybe it's not open.
There's nothing in there. Try it out. Try it out.
Can you see anything in there?
No, there's nothing in there.
That's step 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on step 4.
We're on step 3. There's only 3 steps.
Oh.
Wait, I'm
What
confused.
is this step?
Step 1, wait, I'm confused.
Step 1. Step 3. It goes from step 1 to 3.
No, the thing was 2.
Which thing was? The bath?
Yeah.
Well, it says step 3 was
Oh,
the
it does
bath.
say step 2.
Oh. What's this?
There's no serum in that package.
It is.
No, I didn't feel nothing. There's nothing in there.
There has to be.
No, there's nothing in there. It was a lie.
It is in there.
Did you see it? No. I wrote
It's
it
all up in there. Look at it.
Which finger's in there? I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that's something new. It feels like the same thing we already have.
Yeah, it does. It feels like the slime guys.
I'm not impressed with this $12 mask.
Yeah, I would not pay $12 for this.
Plus, the directions are too hard.
That stuff is basically the Dollar Tree stuff that we've seen.
Yep.
That is I think we've
Thank
even
you
seen
for our
that.
next video
Where we try Dollar Tree masks.
and other products.
Now say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.